this is Priyadharshini, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today in this lecture, we'll see an activity-based thing, that is a traveling salesman problem. So let's now discuss in short what is traveling salesman problem. So the traveling salesman problem, also called as TSP, is an algorithmic problem tasked with finding the shortest route between a set of points and the locations that must be visited. In the problem statement, the points or the cities a salesperson might visit. The salesman's goal is to keep the travel cost and the distance traveled as low as possible. Focused on optimization, TSP is often used in the computer science to find the most efficient route for data to travel between various nodes. Applications include identifying network or hardware optimization methods. It was first described by an Irish mathematician W.R. Hamilton and British mathematician Thomas Cookman in the 1800s to the creation of a game that was solvable by finding a Hamilton cycle, which is non-overlapping path between all nodes. Let's see the activity based done by this.
Hello everyone, I'm Rob. Today we embark our journey to the classical optimization problem that has been captivated minds for the decades. That is traveling salesman problem. Imagine you are a traveling salesman and you are going to travel to the cities, and your goal is to find the shortest path, and you should not cover the cities twice. And here we are going to dive into the topic deeply. Let's start over.
Hello, myself Nishan. Traveling salesman problem. Traveling salesman problem is a classic problem in computer science and optimization. It involves finding the shortest possible route that visit each city exactly once and return to the original city.
I'm Lawrence. I'm here to talk about the importance of traveling salesman. Traveling salesman provides a balance for comparison with more sophisticated algorithms. In efficiency for large data sets, brute force guarantees an optimal solution by exhausting, checking, and all possible routes. Educational purpose offers a straightforward and initiative approach for training the travel salesman problem and algorithm concepts for students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Prashant. I'm going to explain about the example for TSP using brute force technique. So okay, now we are going to discuss about traveling salesperson with example. What is traveling salesperson problem? To get all the routes from one city to another city by taking various permutations and to compute route cost for each permutation, select the shortest route. We are going to find the shortest path using an exhaustive sequencing search method. There are two steps: the compute cost for all tour and select the tour with minimum cost. Let's move on to the example. This example, there are P, Q or S. These are all the cities, and the numbers represent the distance between each city. Let's find the shortest distance. We are going to take start with P and we have to end with P with visiting all the nodes. So first P to I will take Q and Q to R and R to S and again S to P. This is one route. Then again I will take P to Q and just changing the directions like we are taking R in previous one and we are taking S now. S to R and again to P. This is one set of route. Then we go for P to R, R to Q and Q to S and S to P. Again I am going with P to R and R to S and S to Q. Then again I am reaching P. Then take the last possibility that P to S, S to Q and S to R to P and P to S to R to Q to P. Let's permutate the weights of the paths. P to Q is 10 plus Q to R is 5. R to S is 30 and S to P is plus 25. Then again P to Q is 10 and Q to S is 10. Then S to R is 30 plus R to P is 15. Like this, I have calculated for the last 3. Now, what is the problem means we are going to take the shortest permutation. That's 55 in this case. There are 2 paths, this one and this one. We can take any of this path to travel these cities. And the time complexity for this traveling salesperson is we go of n factorial.
The real world example for traveling salesman problem is the newspaper agent daily drop the newspaper to the area assigned in such a manner that has covered all the houses in the respective areas with minimum travel cost.
Hello everyone, myself Harikant. I am going to tell about advantages and disadvantages present on traveling salesman problem using brute force. Advantages are guaranteed optimal solution and simplicity. Disadvantages are time complexity, space complexity, inefficiency and unstability. Thank you.